Welcome. In front of me I have the fairly big box with the Echo Show 10 tablet slash home, whatever you want to call it. I'm not exactly sure what these are actually called. So anyway, let's just get into it. This will be a simple unboxing and a look at the product itself. So it looks like we do need to cut in here. Although, actually, no, we don't. We can just yoink that. There we go. Open it up. Okay, so here we have a charger. I'm gonna set that to the side for now. And we get a... Okay, so this is one piece. I wasn't sure if this is like detachable or not, but it looks like it's one piece. I'm gonna do that off the camera just because... Actually, no, I don't need to. Just grab it like this. Okay. So here it is. Oh, it has some kind of swivel mechanism to it. That's interesting. So it lifts up. Oh boy, the bezels on here are absolutely horrendous. So just to kind of showcase this so you can see it. Oh my goodness, these are atrocious. So there we go. Now as you can see, the base swivels. And we have also some tilt. This is relatively light, so you don't need to put too much force in it. As you can see, it just kind of flips over easily. We have also, interestingly enough, a physical blocker for the camera, so that's obviously very nice for privacy. And in terms of microphone, we do have, I believe this is it, a physical or digital switch, which supposedly cuts off the access to the camera. Though, like I said, it's digital, and this is Amazon, so take that with a grain of salt. So there we go. Now, I'm not really gonna turn that on and boot it up just because it's the typical device that you would have expected to. Still the same as all the other Amazon, like tablet, home, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, one thing that I do want to check out maybe later on is the speaker, as this is a pretty beefy looking speaker right here, so I hope it sounds really good. And yeah, that's about it. So anyway, that's the unboxing, look, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.